Hi all. Today we can discuss about operating cycle approach of Tata Motors. Tata Motors Limited, formerly Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company, which is Telco, is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. It is a part of Tata Group, an Indian conglomerate. Its products include passenger cars, trucks, vans, coaches, buses, sports cars, construction equipment, and military vehicles. It is founded in 1945 as a manufacturer of locomotives. The company manufactured its first commercial vehicle in 1954 in a collaboration with the Daimler Benz AG, which ended in the year 1969. The first Indian manufacturer to achieve the capability of developing a competitive indigenous automobile. Tata Motors is listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange, where it is a constituent of the BSE Sensex Index, the National Stock Exchange of India, and the New York Stock Exchange. The company is ranked as 265th on the Fortune Global in 500 list of the world's biggest corporation as of the year 2019. On January 17th of the year 2017, Natarajan Chandrasekharan was appointed as the chairman of the Tata Group company. Here, Tata Motors increases its UV market share to 8% over in the financial year 2019. Now, we can discuss that what is an operating cycle in a company. The operating cycle is the average period of time required for a business to make an initial outlay of cash to produce goods and sells the goods, also have received cash from customers in exchange for the goods. This is also useful for estimating the amount of working capital that a company will need in order to maintain or grow its business. The cash conversion cycle, which means CCC, is the theoretical amount of time between a company spending cash and receiving cash per each sale, output, unit of operation, etc. It is basically a measure of how long cash is tied up in working with a capital. Here, there is some of the factors that influence the duration of the operating cycle. The payment terms extended to the company by its suppliers. Longer payment terms shorten the operating cycle since the company can delay paying out cash. The order fulfillment policy since a higher assumed initial fulfillment. Rate increases the amount of inventory on hand, which increases the operating cycle. Here is the formula for the operating cycle. The operating cycle is the sum of the following. The days sales in the inventory, which is 365 days by inventory turnover ratio. Along with add with this the average collection period, which is 365 days divided by account receivable turnover ratio. Here it is has data can calculate operating cycle. Here also a graph that shows cash conversion cycle sector distribution. Here we can see that there is a negative from the negative figure. It is going to be higher amounts. So here it is the cash conversion cycle. Now we can discuss how Tata Motors has been done in cash conversion cycle explanation. Generally, the lower this number is, the better for the company, although it should be combined with other metrics. It can be especially useful for comparing close competitors because the company with the lowest cash conversion cycle is often the one with better management. The cash conversion cycle is most effective with retail type companies because which have inventories that are sold to customers. Consulting businesses, software companies, and insurance companies are all examples of companies for whom the metric is meaningless. The cash conversion cycle is one of the most several tools that can help you to evaluate management, especially if it is calculated for several consecutive time periods and for several competitors. Decreasing or steady cash conversion cycle are good, while rising ones should motivate you to dig a bit deeper. The cash conversion cycle is one of the several tools that can help you evaluate management, especially if it is calculated for several consecutive time periods and for several competitors. Decreasing or steady CCCs are good, while rising one should motivate you to dig a bit deeper. Here we can see a calculation of Tata Motors that in cash conversion cycle. Cash conversion cycle (CCC) measures how fast a company can convert cash on hand into even more cash on hand. The metric looks at the amount of time needed to sell inventory, the amount of time needed to collect receivables, and the length of the time of the company is afforded to pay its bills without incurring penalties. Here, cash conversion cycle is one of the several measures of management effectiveness. Here is the one of the Tata Motors cash conversion cycle of the fiscal year that ended in March 2019 is calculated as follows. Cash conversion cycle is equal to, it is added by days sales outstanding plus days inventory minus days payable. Here the figures are 23.16 plus 77.77 minus 140.12. Here we can get the grand total of negative figure, that negative 39.19. Now we can see what is the recently situation of Tata Motors. The Tata Motors Group is a passenger and commercial vehicle manufacturer based on India. The Motor Group was established in 1945 as part of the larger Tata Group. They have long been known for their commercial vehicles and in the past 10 years entered into the passenger car market. Now, currently, Tata Motors has a line of 5 passenger vehicles and a large line of commercial vehicles producing pickups, trucks, tractor trailers, tippers, and buses. Both product line of the Tata Motors Group have been success, but much of this have been built upon the more deeply established commercial vehicle product line. We know that the current scenario of business have been changed a lot because of COVID-19. Every business have been changed with their own operating style, also the operating cycle also. The operating cycle of Tata Motors also have been changed during COVID-19. The company will continue to process this way till March 31st in the year of 2020 until further notice. It will also continue to monitor the situation in all the states where its offices and plants are located. But State said that as a manufacturing organization, we have a complex situation at hand. A large part of our workforce operates at plants and our engineering research center. Their work cannot be done remotely, and therefore, we have people working on site in these locations with heightened degree of personal hygiene and safety. In the case of Tata Motors, it had asked about 3,000 of its employees with office based roles to work from home, but clarified its manufacturing operations will continue to function as before. A temporary production suspension of Tata Motor owned Jaguar Land Rover UK plant was also announced today. In light of the social distancing underway to combat the coronavirus pandemic, which has led to 144 deaths in Britain. The company employees have also been advised to engage via virtual meetings as all the visitors have been restricted to Tata Motors Limited sites. Moreover, pregnant women and employees with any sort of chronic respiratory illness have been advised to work from home. However, the company sees limited impact of virus on their domestic business and will be closely monitoring the situation going further. With some flexibility in the mix, which is models, trim levels, the current visibility protects production volume up to mid-March. The further planning horizon contains some uncertainties which are expected to be mitigated to a large extent. The situation could lead to limited volume losses in the fourth quarter of Tata Motors said. So, this is the operating cycle approach of Tata Motors. Tata Motors have been adopted and implemented a new scheme when the COVID-19 have been came and adopted this for their working condition. So thank you for your valuable time. Thank you so much.